Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Wild Pantheon palette. I do have the other two, which is the Wild Chameleon and the Wild Jaguar. The one I'm missing is the Tiger. I wasn't too fond of it. I feel like those colors were kind of all the same, but I might end up picking it up depending on how I feel about the Pantheon. So I chose this one specifically just because this is a very summery eyeshadow palette. I mean, the Chameleon is as well, but I was just more drawn towards this beautiful color right here and this bright yellow. So we'll see. This one specifically is said to be a highly pigmented mini eyeshadow palette featuring 9 velvety complementary hues and 5 detectable finishes to suit every taste and occasion. The 9 shades in this palette have luxe innovative textures that look unreal on everyone, from suede soft mattes to complementary metallics, sparkly and foiled, to one never before seen multi-reflective 3D embossed python print, which is this one right here. And I think, look how gorgeous that is. Just the embossing is out of this world. I think that's why I liked it so much. The creamy mattes blend seamlessly. The semi-sheer metallics add extra glam, and the high drama foil metallics bring killer dimension. Versatile, super buildable, and easily blendable, the formula applies like a dream with minimal fallout, whether you use a brush or your fingers. So each one of these palettes retail for $29. You can find them on Huda Beauty, Sephora, and I believe they also sell them on ASOS too. The Tiger one isn't on the Sephora website yet. I don't know why. Maybe it'll come soon, I'm not sure. Oh, it also says it's limited edition, which I didn't know. Oh, they're all limited edition. That's good to know. So this is the front packaging. It has like that holographic, I think that's what it's called, front packaging. And it's super tiny, just like the Brown Obsessions palette. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys. And also, if you want swatches, I'll leave that at the end of the video. All right, guys, so I am gonna be quite honest. I don't know what kind of look I wanna go towards. I think I wanna add this dark brown shade in my crease first. This is in the second row from the top, and it's the one on the right-hand corner. These shadows don't have names on them. So I'm picking that color up with my M507 brush, and I'm gonna place this right in my crease. These shadows are highly pigmented. I'm not getting any fallout, so that's awesome. So I think I'm gonna go in with that lighter brown that's in this palette. I'm using my e.l.f. x Jaclyn J2 brush. Mesh these two shades together. I low-key want to try this bright neon yellow or green shade right here. It's just, where would I put that? I mean, if all fails, we can try and fix it, right? I don't want to go in with too much of a heavy hand with this shade. I don't know how it's going to turn out. And I am picking up a little bit at a time, and this shade is just pigmented. I'm going to go back in with that same brown shade. And then with my Morphe M507 brush, go back in with this dark brown shade again. Add this to my outer V. And in my crease, just slightly. All right, so I'm gonna try and cut the inner portion of my lid. Just gonna use that same Dior for Skin Correct I used on my face. using my P. Louise brush and just cut this area. All right, now that we did that, I really want to try the embroidered or embossed Pantone shade right here in the middle. So I think I want to use my fingers for this first. Oh, that is stunning. That shade is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M507 brush. Take that brown shade again. And there's no fallout, you guys. Holy crap. And go around these edges right here to further define them. And then go back in with that Jaclyn brush and just blend out these edges. And then I'm gonna go back in with that neon yellow shade. Whoa. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and use this very top shade right here. And blend that into that blue-green that we placed down. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use that dark brown. I'm gonna stamp this close to my lower lash line. And with a small little detail pencil brush, this is the Sigma E30 brush. I'm gonna go in with that lighter brown and blend this brown out. Now I'm gonna go in with that neon shade again with that same Morphe Sweet Oasis brush. Just to slightly blend out. Holy moly. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably apply some brown liner on my top and lower waterline. Put on my mascara and lashes, and I'll go ahead and pop back on once my look is all done. All right, you guys, so this is what the finished look looks like. I did use my Makeup by Mario Master Matte Pro Pigment Pencil in the shade The Perfect Brown. For my eyelashes, I used my House of Lashes Iconic Lights. Overall, you guys, I am highly impressed by the Wild Pantone palette. Huda killed it once again. I did use 5 of these shades, were highly pigmented, and I only had to dip in just a little bit to get pigment. Now I know why Huda and their team on Instagram were promoting these palettes so much and they were excited about it. They did such a great job on the formulation. I really do hope that these two perform as well and they're not duds, because I'm so excited to try the other ones out as well. I will leave an insert of the swatches on camera for you so you guys can look at them. Oh man, I just can't wait to use all these shades again. They are extremely gorgeous and I am really happy on how my eye look came out. So definitely a 10 out of 10. Her formulation is just to die for. I love her palettes. All right, I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to get this one up there and share with you my opinion on this palette. I adored every single shade and I'm so happy I got my hands on them. So now I feel like I need to go ahead and grab the Tiger palette. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Comment down below which eyeshadow palette you're most excited for. And if you guys are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.